Stop collecting fills that you can only play in one way. In this quick lesson, I'll show you a small idea that helps you understand the language behind great fills. I'll show you the idea, and then I'll break it down and give you the tools to turn it into something of your own. The concept for today is groups of 4 and 2 in 16th notes. So the idea of today is very simple. It's going to be 2 patterns, right, left, kick, played with the right hand as an accent, left hand as ghost notes, and then the 2 is going to be right, left. The order of today is going to be 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Now the first thing you can do to start exploring it is just move your right hand while you play. Now the idea is not to just randomly move it around, but to think of it as a little melody. So for example, you could play the first 4 on your snare and then the other ones 2, 4, 2, 4 on your high tom and floor tom. It's that simple. Just start exploring, but being mindful of where you actually place your hand so it makes sense and it's not just a random fill with some random movement. This is just one piece of the puzzle. The longer video shows you the exact roadmap, how to do this by yourself and create endless ideas and develop more creative freedom around the kit.